Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing that we should do is put these headphones into pairing mode. You'll notice in pairing mode, if you look at the one side here where it has the buttons, and this LED down here with blinking blue, blue, which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? So let me manually put these headphones into pairing mode. The headphones are currently off. So next, with the headphones off, I'm going to press and hold this power button in the middle. I'm going to keep holding until it starts blinking here blue. Okay, so power button here, the headphones are currently off. Let's press and hold that power button, ready, go. Press and hold, just keep holding and wait until it turns blinking blue. Still holding, wait. Okay, there we go, let go of the button. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now shoot over to your Sony TV, and then you just want to go to settings. If you have the settings button on your remote, go that way. If not, just navigate to the home screen, click on the home button on the remote, and then once you're here, just navigate to the settings icon, the gear icon right there, quick settings, select that, and just go to your Bluetooth settings from here. We can just go to Bluetooth right there. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and we're going to go down to pair accessory. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that's near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. It's still in pairing mode, is blinking blue, and it did find the Soundcore Q20i up there. Make sure it's highlighted. Okay on the remote. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request here as well. Oh, there we go. Click on pair. Okay, it just connected. I saw the blue solid light right there. And we're connected, ready to go. You can see if you go down here, the Soundcore Q20i, it is currently connected. So pretty simple. Now, you have any issues pairing or connecting these headphones, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.